Preoday menu setup. Once you're logged into the Preoday platform, if you select menus and my menus, you'll get greeted with however many menus you have on the system. As default, there's one set up for you. You can add more, and then obviously via the outlets in a previous video, you'll be able to select which menu is used at that point in time. So for our demo purposes, we'll be using the keg menu. If you wanted to add a new menu, you can just press the blue button. Once you've clicked into the menu itself, you then get a choice of which section you require. So each of the sections you can build up how you wish. So these sections could be something as simple as draft bottles, spirits, starters, mains, or they can be more complex and start breaking down things like spirits into whiskies, gins. This is purely up to yourselves and how you feel your customers will react to it. So if you wanted to set up a new section, you can press the little blue button, and then this section will then appear. Within the section, you can give it a section name. You can also give it a section description. And in our case, we've also got a tag called age verification. I'll come on to tags later on. Under advanced, you can also restrict the ordering hours of when this section can be used. So the reason for this is, prime example, you may have things like a Sunday lunch, and if you only want to be able to see those items or be able to order those items on a Sunday from 12 until 4, this is how you can set them up. So you can just enter in the start time and the end time, and then that will make that section only available to order at those times. Once you've created all the sections of the menu that you require, within these sections, you can just click into them, and you'll then be greeted with the items that are currently there. So at the moment, we have a couple of items in there. Now, when linked to the quantum system, these items will be passed up automatically straight from the till system within to the Preoday platform. All you have to do is drag these on to the different areas of the screens that you want them to appear. If you're not having it linked to any till system, you can press the little blue button and you would select create a new item if you needed to. If the item already exists within the system or it's being pulled up from the quantum till system, you can select import an existing item, and then this will display all the items that it's been pulled up from the quantum system. So in our case, we've just got a couple of examples of a starter and a main, and it is as easy as dragging and dropping the item onto the screen that you require. And you'll see once it's added on, it come up with saying that the item's now been saved. That's now live on the system, ready to be ordered. If for any reason you sell out of an item or that item's not available anymore, you can highlight over the little dots and there's a hide from menu. This will stop the customer from being able to order that item on the menu. There's other options within here. So if we select the little pen button and edit, the details from the system itself will automatically pass up the item name and the display name. These come from the quantum system. The description, you can type this in if you wanted to. So as an example, it could be a starter, which could be chicken wings, and then the description would be 6 chicken wings accompanied by a choice of sauce. You can also add a tag to it. So a tag I will come back later. This is a method that you can run different things on there. So things like promotions or age verifications. There's a number of different uses. Also, if Preoday system is linked to your quantum system, the price is automatically populated. So all the default details come straight from your till system. Additional information that you can add on here is the image. So under image, you can highlight the little upload specs and it will tell you the size of the image that you can upload, and then this will appear on the menu itself when a customer goes to order. Under labels, there's a number of different labels, so not only just allergens, but you can also select whether it's hot, mild, or very hot, if it was some sort of spicy food, And then these appear just as little grey boxes underneath the item when the customer goes to order them. If we select more, the item lead time, so if for any reason there's an item lead time that's longer than the normal, you can specify it in here. The external ID, this isn't something that you would need to worry about. This is how the quantum till system interacts with the Preoday platform. If you have any items that are only available for to seat delivery, you can unselect them here, so then they will take them off if they select whether it's a collection and a delivery, and it only makes those items available to seat. If there's a difference in price for delivery or to seat, you can also enable these and then specify the price accordingly. Once an item is dragged onto the menu and it's saved, that will automatically get published onto the web ready for that item to be ordered. From the quantum till system as well, it will automatically send up any sort of condiment table that you may have linked. So in our case, we have a main, and then underneath it will show you it's currently linked to a modifier. And in quantum terms, this is your condiment tables. So this modifier will show you how you want the items cooked. So this will prompt the customer when they place that order, and then this information gets fed back into the till system.